Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a plaid manicure with super classic colors, red, black, and gold. So if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna apply my base coat. Today I'm using Orly Bonder. This is a sticky base coat and it makes my manicure last longer. Then I'm gonna apply my base color. I'm using this red from Zoya. This is called Soko. And it's super opaque. You can see here that I got complete coverage in just one coat, so I only decide to use one coat in this manicure. I only used two just for consistency and to make the manicure last longer, but I didn't see any difference in duration. Then I'm gonna apply liquid latex just to protect my nails because I'm gonna do stamping. So I'm gonna apply it around my skin and my cuticle area, in my ring finger and in my middle finger. Then I'm gonna wait until it's transparent. That means it's completely dry and you can move on to stamping. For the stamping, I'll be using Maniology M267. This is a layer plaid stamping plate, so I'll be using these two images at the beginning. And I'm also gonna use the ice cube stamper from Maniology, and you can use my code for 10% off in your purchases. For the stamping, I'll be using a straight up black. This is from Maniology. Super versatile. I love this polish. It really picks up perfectly, and I'm gonna go with this design first. As you can see, it's super cute, and I'm gonna place it in my ring finger, my middle finger, and also in my thumb. I'm gonna go with these 3 fingers with stamping, and the other 2 are gonna remain red. I'm also gonna be using Hansen Go for Gold. This is part of the line Instadri. This is not a stamping polish, just a regular one that I got in the pharmacy, but I just find that they stamp really well. So I'm just gonna place the other image in the middle of the blank spaces that I had from the previous pattern, and then I'm gonna remove the liquid latex, and you will see that it will be so much easier to clean up. Then I apply the Maniology smudge free top coat, especially because when I'm using black stamping polish it can get messy. And finally apply the Good to Go, which is a fast dry top coat, and I wanted to go with the matte finish this time, so I applied the Hansen Miracle Gel, and this is the final result. I really love how this turned out. I think this design is so classic for the winter and also for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!